Welcome, everyone. My name is Mikey. I am the Secretary and Vice President for Gilded Projects of the Guilds of Requiem. Tonight, we are going to be discussing onboarding for the International Guilds of Requiem. I am going to go through our slideshow and hopefully not stumble over myself while I do it. So I'm going to go ahead and get started so that we can get this part going. So bear with me. And of course, it helps if I share my screen. Let's see. There we go. All right. So first of all, and I do apologize, apparently my screen is not wanting to move. So I'm going to do this. Okay. So this is the International Guilds of Requiem. These are chapters that follow the Guilds of Requiem philosophies and are approved chapter charters. What this means is that you can be in any city, any state, any country, and you want to become a chartered chapter with the Guilds of Requiem. Tonight's agenda is the history of the International Guilds of Requiem, current and future projects, several sub-guilds, and last, how you can join. So let's talk briefly about the history of the International Guilds of Requiem. In 2016, it was known as Project Requiem, the original plan that was still swimming around the thought process. In 2018, Requiem Kenya and Requiem Ghana Direct joined the International Guilds of Requiem. And in 2020, everything got put on hold when the world shut down. And I know everyone knows about that. So we are back up and running. So current and future projects. Current project is Requiem Kenya. The future, we definitely hope to have many more chapters throughout the country, throughout the world, looking for any and everybody who feels that they would fit in with our group. How to join? We are currently not accepting any applications for new projects, but we do need volunteers. You can email us at the customer service at guildsofrequiem.com. And underneath this video, we will have links to the web pages, the Facebook pages. You can also leave comments and questions. We do monitor all of our social media for comments, questions, anything that you need to know about. It may take 2 to 3 days for us to get back to you. It's dependent on schedules, obviously, but we will get back to you as soon as possible. I want to thank you for joining us today on the International Guilds of Requiem onboarding information, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.